Founded in 1908, Musico company at 0 km is involved in extraction and processing of Trani stone until home delivery with 22 hectares and 3 extraction sites. For 4 generations, we extract by our own means precious materials, including the renowned Trani Biancone, Serpeggiante and Bronzetto. After the extraction process of blocks and their accurate selection, we move on the squaring phase by the use of single blade or diamond wires, so the block is ready for its transformation into slabs. The use of an high-tech and next-generation cutting system proceeds to selection and transformation of slabs into floor and subdividing it by quality and color variation. Only first-choice materials will pass to next steps. Administrative center ensures that the entire production process perfectly matches with the needs of every single customer and to home delivery. Floor is ready for the warmth of your home.